How to fix Realme 13 won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. After that, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your mobile data. Now here you can turn on your mobile data. After turn off mobile data, then go back and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.